cards, which means we add the white chair into play. Now we have 2 chairs and lots of bears. Oh, we keep both of them now. Okay. Okay, I'll be the talker for 3 cards. Are you ready? Oh, this is really cool. Put all the small bears beside the black chair.
All the small bears.
On the same side of the black chair. All the small bears on the right side of the black chair.
Wait a second.
Are you ready?
Ah!
Oh, you put them in front, but there you go. They're there now. Good job, little bears.
Wait, it is like this is the teacher and that is the kid.
Yeah, that's right. They're all lined up beside the teacher.
Yeah.
They're all lined up beside the black chair on the right side. Okay, here's another one. Oh, I love this one. Put the white chair between the green bears. Put the white chair in between the 2 green bears.
What do you mean about big bears?
Just 2 green ones.
Oh.
Yeah, the white chair is in between the green bears.
Yeah. Get back here.
You ready?
Baby.
Good job. That one made you think and you got it. So I'm so proud. I get 1 more. Oh, this is such a cute one. Put all the big bears around the black chair.
Put all the big bears around the black chair.
Good, repeating it. That's a good way to remember things. And they're all facing out. If you'd like to make it look exactly the same as the picture.
I don't want to. Wait.
Okay. You got the main information.
There.
Excellent listening,
Yeah.
Ayla. Well done, well done. Okay, your turn to be the teacher again. Will I be a good listener? I hope so.
Oh, okay. Get the white chair
Mhm.
and the kids in the right way.
And then the little bears. So it's the white chair and the little bears?
Yeah.
Okay, and where do the little bears go?
Here.
Beside?
Yeah.
Oh, they're all beside the white chair.
Mm-hmm.
Put all the small bears beside the white chair. Done. Good job.
What?
That's it.
Why is that the same?
Yeah, it was, but the other one you did was beside the black chair. So good thing I listened to white chair.
What? Okay. Okay, so the white chair and the black chair and the small bear in the middle.
Okay, so there's one small bear in between the 2 chairs?
Yeah.
What color?
Green.
Ah, so the little green bear is between the chairs like that? Let's see. Good job! Yahoo! Okay, give me 1 more, Miss Smarty Pants.
OMG. Okay, this is almost the same.
Okay, interesting.
The white. Okay, so get the white chair, only the white chair.
Okay.
And then all the bears surrounding the white chair.
All the bears are surrounding the white chair. All the big bears or all the little ones are all together. Okay. All the small bears are surrounding the white chair. Are they looking in or out?
Well,
Are they looking away from the chair?
yeah, away from the chair.
Okay. I like to make that look the same if I can. Ready? Good job, Ayla. Awesome.